I'm going to show you how to add a zoom blur transition to your edits in Premiere Pro. I have two clips in the timeline and I would like to add a zoom blur. So go to the project window, click on New Item. Go to Adjustment Layer and click OK. Now drag the adjustment layer onto the two clips in the middle. Now go over to Effects and search for Transform. And drag it onto the adjustment layer. Make sure the playhead is in the middle of the two clips. Then go over to Effect Control. Scroll down to Transform. And click the stopwatch on Scale. Adjust the scale to 300. Then move back 5 frames. Then reset the scale with the reset button. Then move ahead 10 frames. And reset it again with the reset button. Right click the left keyframe and select Ease Out. Then select the right keyframe and select Ease In. Expand the scale and drag the blue dot to the left. Now highlight the left keyframe and drag to the right. So the curves look like this. Scroll down and you're looking for Use Composition Shutter Angle. Just click it off. Now change the shutter angle to 360. And then that's it, guys. It's all done. So here is the final edit. Hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, please drop a like, leave a comment and subscribe to the channel, and thanks for watching.